Hi there, here we have the 2014 on a 64 plate Ford KUGA. This is the 2 litre ZETEC TDCI 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So let's start off with the front of the car. So as you can see there, the front bumper nice and clean, so there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet. As you can see there yourself, there is no chips, no dents, no scratches, so nothing untowards on the front of the vehicle. Alloys are also nice and clean, so there is no marks on the alloys. So these are the 17-inch alloys. Just to confirm, the car is also ULEZ exempt, so you do not pay the ULEZ charge on this car, as it is a Euro 6. One previous owner with full service history. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. As you can see, the car is in immaculate condition so far. It does have the rear parking sensors. Obviously this is activated once the car is put in reverse. And as you can see there, the back bumper, no scratches, no scuffs, everything as it should be. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. Obviously more as a peace of mind than anything. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we can give you more options. So as you can see up there, it does also have the roof rails, previously black back glass at the back there, so obviously you cannot see inside the car. So inside the vehicle, as you can see, the front passenger door, it is nice and clean, so there is no scratches. It does have the electric windows. Dash is also nice and clean as well, so as you can see there is no marks, no tears. It does have the leather multifunctional steering wheel as well. Seats are also nice and clean, so there is no tears on the seats. The car's been fully validated by us. Obviously once again the privacy at the back. So the back door now, as you can see, there is no marks as well. Usually there would be quite a few marks, you know, where the door handles are. However, that is not the case. The back, it does also have the electric windows. So moving on to the seats, once again, nice and clean at the back as well. So once again, there is no tears, no marks, and it does also have the Isofix as well. Once again, alloys all around are nice and clean as well. Right, so let's have a look at the boot space. Obviously being the KUGA, it does actually have quite a decent boot space, as you can see. So you can actually fit quite a few stuff in there. And then we do also have the spare wheel that comes in with the car as well. Okay, so just before we go over to the driver's side and show you all the controls. So as you can see, once again, the back seats in great condition. So it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. And as I mentioned, the car's been fully validated by us. Right, so driver's side now, let's have a look at the door. So obviously it does have the front and rear electric windows that can be controlled by the driver, and then you do also have your electric adjustable mirrors. Right, let's jump inside the car and show you where the lights are. So these there are the lights, and then you do also have your front and rear fog lights. Leather multifunctional steering wheel. And as you can see there is the buttons, and then also the cruise control just there. So it is keyless go, so as you can see it does have the engine start and stop button, so the key can be left in your pocket. I do believe the key's in my pocket as we speak, and it will just allow me to start the car without putting, you know, the key in as you usually would do. Okay, so there we go. Radio, as you can see just there. So if we can switch this on, there we go. So there we go, that's the radio there. So it does have the DAB radio. Let's check just there. So as you can see, DAB, FM, and then also the AM as well. It does also have the phone, where you can connect your phone through the Bluetooth. Let's just go back. Okay, right, so your Bluetooth, as you can see, there is the button just there, so you press on that and then you can connect your phone. So the redial, phone book, call list, and then it does also have the text messaging, and then Bluetooth devices. Obviously, if you go on there, it'll tell you what devices are connected. At the moment, there isn't anything connected on the car. And then you can also connect your phone through, obviously once it's connected through Bluetooth, you can play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it, it can be done. Alright, and then back onto the menu there, it does also have the CD player. Obviously there is no CD inserted at the moment, but however it does go just inside here. Down below is the aircon, as you can see there, and you do also have the heated front screen as well. So the 6-speed gearbox, cup holders, your 12 volts in here, and then also it does have the armrest. You can also have a look just there, as you can see it does have the aux and USB input, and then a bit of storage in there as well. And then obviously glove box, we do have the owner's manual, and then also the locking wheel nut. So just there you can put, well, usually coins or whatever it is you can put in there. So another bit of storage, let's say. Inside the car it is actually nice and comfortable. You do feel like you are high as well on the road, so I don't know if, you know, a lot of people prefer that. So this is one of the cars for you, if that's the case. And then also the seat can be brought down and up. You can adjust the seats to how you want them. Right, so you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior and interior of this car. If there is any further questions, or you need finance arranging, or you wanted to come down and have a look at the car, then if you give us a call or email us, we'll be more than happy to assist you with finance, so we can send you a finance application out to you, or answer any of your questions. Alright, thanks for watching.